kiss. Hi. Yeah. Wait. Before you kiss me agad, you don't even know my name. Hello. I'm Jay. What's your name? Ha?
Ang pangalan ko ay si Lindsay.
Ang pangalan ko ay si Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay. I'm Jay. You're the first American that I hold hands. I think I'm in love. Will you marry me? Ito ang mangyayari, mga kaibigan, makinig kayong lahat. Meron kaming batas sa pagalik. We have a law. Nakakatinig sa Tagalog, di ba? Ha? Ganito. Makinig! Meron kaming batas sa pagalik. Pag 17 years old pababa, hanggang pisngi lang pwedeng umalik. Pag 18 pataas, may kalayaan kahit saan. Did you understand the words coming out my mouth? What I say is, 17 years old below, only cheek kiss. But 18 above, everywhere, you have the freedom. And before we continue this kissing scene, I would like to ask, what is your age?
22.
You have the freedom. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this girl. Please don't give me a delicious kiss because I'm easily falling. Madali ako ma-fall. I'm easily falling in love. And still we have a concert. So this will what happen. Hirap English ko dito. So buwan na ako nag-i-English, I'm having a hard time. No split, motherfucker! Please. So this will what happen. I will close my eyes and you take care of me. Okay? Before I do that, wait. I just detach, okay? Stay there. I'm ready. Oh my God. He put lips balm. Okay. Let's go near there. I will close my eyes. You take care of me, huh? Just don't do it so delicious because I easily fall in love. I love you so much.